is no proper way to measure success, it's certain that these women serve as a motivation to all the other women out there to prove that anyone can be in their shoes doing the same thing to earn a better living. And here are a few words of advice and encouragement they can share with us.
I always believe in one motto: everything happens for a reason, and I believe that the reason is there to serve me.
There's no end and there's no limit to what one can do. So if you have the will, you will do it and never give up. So I think all women out there should strive and work hard. One day you will find the answer and you will achieve what you want.
Don't be afraid to take risks. That's something that I have learned. Don't be too comfortable in your comfort zone. Step out there, think out of the box. And I always remember Eleanor Roosevelt saying that she said, a woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until you put her in hot water. That's been my motto.
Some of you might think that it's easy to talk, but difficult to do. However, do bear in mind that if these women can do it, then any one of us can too. Of course, no one can do it alone, as we need the support from friends, family, lots of hard work, and perhaps just a little luck. But nothing is impossible.
Earth angel, will you be mine, my darling dear? Love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you.
Welcome back to the Breakfast Show, the show worth waking up for.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, indeed. Now Philip Lim will be giving us a talk on Feng Shui Your Love Life on the 23rd of August at the Gardens.
All right.
Yes, all you have to do. Oh, it's from 2 to 5 p.m. actually.
Great stuff, great
Feng
stuff.
Shui Your Love Life.
Yes, so do head down to the Gardens, and well, Philip's quite a good speaker. He's very practical, and he gets straight to the point.
Exactly.
And it's some tips you can definitely pick up at the Gardens.
That is right.
It's not anything just to get more, light energy, that warm, fuzzy feeling when you get into your room after a hard day's work. You can just go and
There's good energy, there's good karma.
Yes,
Exactly.
very conducive to make a big family, if you know what I mean.
Yes. So no black leather, Nazruddin.
Definitely not. I mean, well, that's one of the useful tips given by Philip. You decorate your room in black. When you step in, it's just so gloomy, man.
Yeah, exactly. Bright red is not exactly the way to go either, but if with a little white,
Yes.
So yes. All right, I guess that's all the time we have now for the Breakfast Show. We will be back tomorrow morning bright and early at 8 a.m. We'll see you tomorrow.
Right.
Bye.
Good morning.
Assalamualaikum. Have a great day.
Go meat free, meat free.